small example. I say the market is very scientific, very scientific. It's keep repeating its flow or the energy again and again. Let's see a small example of technical analysis purely about forecasting. How we can judge the next move. If we can judge the next move correctly, then we are the winners. I said that I was able to forecast that price will be doubled on this date, 31st of August. This is also result from here. This is the bottom, 24th of March. Somebody can do the exercise. Do you get this date of 31st of August if you start count from 24th of March? 24th of March 2020.
30th अगस्त आता है थर्ड टाइम में.
30th of August, and this is 31st of August. There is an error of 1 day. Error of 1 day. Here we started with 24th and 24th. Yes. There is an error of only 1 day, and we were alert on this day. The probability is the market can fall from there. We have three kind of chart we can make. This is called the candlestick. Candlestick means all right. Candlestick means there are the two candles, red and the green. Green candle represent that this day the market was up. On that day, market was bull. Market was in a uptrend. And red candles are representing that market is opening up and closing down. On that day, it was a bear day. On that day, there was a selling pressure in the market. Now, there you can see in this one candle there is a one body, and there are the two shadows or two wick. Okay, let's take this, just one second. Okay, let's take this candle. Okay, in this candle, in red candle, opening will be higher and the closing will be lower. So this box, which we call the body, the highest part of the body in red candle is the open price, and the lowest part of the body is the closing price. And the market moved to this level, which represent the high and low. This was the high and this was the low. This is representing, this is one candle which is representing. Here it is written also high. H means high, L means low, C means close. So if I am putting cursor on this candle, it is showing high was 10,827, low was 10,577, and opened at 10,701 and closed at 10,618. On this candle, open, open and open. On this candle, open was at 10,754. Here it was opening box. Sorry, this was the open at lowest price, and the low was 10,749. If there is a no wick or very small wick, invisible wick, it means that open and the low is the same, and price moved to this level and closed on the end of the box, right? Then closing is somewhere near to the high only. This is a green bar. This is clear to all, or any question? You can understand on red candle the price is falling, and the price opening at higher price and closing at lower price. In the red candle or in the green candle, the price is opening at lower and closing at higher. It is representing, it is a day chart, it is representing the movement of a 1 day. Movement of a 1 day. It is clear to all? Please reply.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
it is clear. All right, great. Now, If the market sometime it is going down, sometime it is moving up, but in spite of that, you can see if I make a trend line is being, if market is moving up, the trend line is formed with the two bottoms, and if market is falling, then it is made by two highs. I pick up the trend line. Instead of the trend line, I am going to pick the ray. Here it is a ray. I am going to click it, and this is a tradingview.com is a free portal. You can just go into this tradingview.com and click the chart, and you will be on the chart. Whatever chart you want to click, Dow Jones or the Nifty or Reliance or Maruti, so you can just access from here. If I just take the bottom of this and then the next bottom, now you look at it, till the time the price is above this trend line, market is bullish. Market breached on this particular day. If I don't know the trick of, even then on this particular day, the price breached the trend line, which was being formed by two points, two low points. One is of 24th of March, another is of 18th of May. Just joining the two, I have got this trend line. When the trend line is being breached, it means this bull run is over. Now the probability is market can be sideways, or what the best can be. Now this is a long-term trend line. Suppose the when market started moving down, I can make a trend line with the two tops when market is falling. When market is falling, trend line is the easiest and the best method in technical analysis, and we give very less weightage to this tool. I say trend line is time and price square, where the time and price both meet. Here this is the price, and here it is the, on x-axis there is a time, and on x-axis there is a time, and on the y-axis it is the price. Whenever the price meet again and again, here it is a time price square. It is very near to time price square. Here it is near to time price square. Here it is multiple time price square. When the price and time meet, this is a more scientific thing. It was falling, and from there when the price moved above this triangle, a triangle is being formed over here. Okay, this is a triangle, symmetric triangle. Whenever it is being breached, then prices started moving up only. So you can use the trend line. This only one tool. If you can master, you can be the master of stock market. All right. So